guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming and new Louis Vuitton bag collection. Yes, so I will be providing you all the information that you need to know, from names, product codes, product feature, prices, SKU, and the launch date. All you need to do, just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CA. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. We're almost there. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so we are going to discuss the men's Spring Summer 2025 collection from the Paris Fashion Week. First, we have the Speedy P9. So this one, the material is soft leather, as you can see, very slouchy. Cowhide leather trips. The colorway of this one is lilac with contrasting Louis Vuitton monogram. It would come with detachable pochette, bag tag, and a strap. Next on the collection, so we have the Speedy P9. So this is a smaller version, so I'm thinking around 25 to 30. So it would be the colorway of violet with contrasting Louis Vuitton monogram. It would be using soft leather with vachetta leather trims, as we could see here. So it also comes with chain strap bag charms. So I'm guessing at this point that these accessories doesn't come with when you are going to purchase in the future. So another Speedy P9. So this one still in the soft leather, and the size of this one would be the smaller one. So it could either just be the Speedy P9 25 or 30. I love the colorway of this one. It's like a lilac or lighter blue shade with the untreated leather vachetta trims, as we could see here. Next on the collection, another Speedy P9, but this time guys, they are also using exotic. So this one would be the ostrich leather. It would come with cowhide leather trims, as we could see here. Colorway is lilac with contrasting Louis Vuitton monogram. It would come, of course, with the detachable pochette inside. It would have a bag tag and a detachable leather strap as well. Next on the collection, more of the exotics of the Speedy P9. So this we have two. So the first one, as we can see here, zooming in, the material is still ostrich leather, and the colorway is like a yellow-orange combination with contrasting Louis Vuitton monogram. It would come, of course, with the detachable strap, bag tag, and leather strap. Then guys, let us discuss about this one. So we have the embroidered Speedy. So the material of this one is fabric, as we could see, and it would come, of course, with cowhide leather trim. So what's special about this Speedy is it comes with embroidery detail that is inspired by the majestic India. So detachable bag tag and bag strap as well. I think this collection is heavily inspired by India. I feel that they could have done it as a cruise collection. What do you think? So this is like the burgundy colorway of the same Speedy bag that we have discussed earlier. So as you can see, it's very slouchy. So I'm guessing if it's not leather, then definitely it's either canvas or fabric. Next on the collection, so we have the Speedy embroidered. So this one a little bit different of embroidery from a while ago. I feel this one is more festive and it gives me more of the India inspiration. So which one is your choice, guys? Would it be the first one or would it be this one? For me, this one I would choose rather than the first embroidery detail. This one is cuter, although this one, I feel the material of this one is kind of like in a denim fabric, that you think. So here is a zoom or close-up look. So material is fabric with the embroidery detail still inspired by the majestic India. So this comes with detachable bag tag and strap. Hi Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next for the men's spring summer 2025 collection, so we have another Keepall, but this time guys it is heavily embellished with crystals. So here is a close-up look. As you could see, still inspired by the opulent India. It would come of course with cowhide leather trims, detachable bag tags, and straps. What do you think of this embellished Keepall? So next on the collection we have messenger bag, not the official name. So this collection, the material is the very beautiful the May-Bean canvas, and what I love is they are using treated leather. It's not the vachette as we could see here. It kind of gives me the vintage feel, and of course it comes with animal design, still inspired by the majestic India. Next on the collection guys, this one I super love from the Runway. So we have the Speedy 25 materials, the May-Bean canvas with treated cowhide leather trims. As we could see here, it comes of course with detachable leather strap. It would come with bag tag as well, and it has the animal designs inspired by the collection as well, just like earlier. Then we have guys, this one I feel would be very hot and would sold out immediately. We have the NANO SPEEDY. So this is how they carried it on a runway, like a bag charm. So another idea guys, if you have existing NANO SPEEDYs right now, so if you have much larger bag, then definitely you could also use it as a bag charm, just like with this one. Next in the collection, we have the Keepall. So for the size, maybe 45 or the largest one. So material is the May-Bean canvas with cowhide leather trims with animal design. So here we have the zoom or close-up look. So as I could see, so many animal design with trees as well. It would come of course with detachable bag tag and adjustable leather strap. Next on the collection, so they are bringing the classic SACPLAT. Love this one, again giving me the vintage vibe. So material is the May-Bean canvas with cowhide leather trim. So that is the close-up look. So we have giraffe, we have deer, we have is that cheetah, we have horse. So those are some of the animal prints that is inspired by India. Guys, again, I could be wrong with the animals that I was mentioning, so kindly forgive me. Next, we have the Christopher backpack. Just look at the combination, guys, of the May-Bean canvas with cowhide leather trims. I just love that they are using this treated cowhide leather trims. It gives the perfect combination of, you know, the vintage feel that maybe Pharrell is after for this collection. Then we have the very beautiful nail NM, still the same material. So the May-Bean canvas with cowhide leather trims with animal design. So this one, guys, actually I am in love with the nail NM bag because it comes with two straps. It would come with a longer shoulder strap that you could wear crossbody and a shorter strap that you could carry as a top handle, just like with this one. Then guys, this animal print design would come in a leather version. So first we have the SACPLAT. So the colorway of the bag, it's like a caramel or cognac color, don't you think? So I could see that the leather or the animal design is kind of like embossed. So hopefully it's embossed rather than printed. What do you feel about that? And then we have Keepall. So this one, as we can see, I love the rich colorway. So it has two Keepall. So we have the biggest one, then maybe we have a smaller version. So here is the look on the runway. So again, it is inspired by the majestic India because of the animal design. To be honest, guys, I love India, but I am not actually in love with how they do the treatment of the animal design. I feel it's not organic. Again, guys, that is just my opinion. But guys, comment down below, how do you feel how LV did the inspiration printing out the animals on the entirety of the bag. Maybe they could do like maybe a bag charm, or maybe just a couple of animal designs on the sides. Then another one, we have the nail NM. The reason maybe why I am not liking this print, guys, is because I feel this is going to be, be dated easily. Like for example, you could wear it maybe perhaps next season, but maybe 5 years, 10 years from now, you're going to look back and then it would not look classic. Again, guys, in my opinion. So we have Christopher backpack. So this one, materials leather with cowhide leather trims with animal design. But guys, if you do love this design, yes, go ahead. As long as you are going to love it, and as long as you feel that you are going to wear this one a lot, then definitely I would be supporting you in purchasing this design. I think what I would prefer compared to the leather version would be the May Bean one with the animal design. I feel that one because with the entirety of the May Bean with the treated leather, it's giving with the vintage vibe, which I prefer. This one, guys, is cute. So we have a rocket bag. As you can see, that is the design. Although kind of reminds me of the Chanel rocket bag. What do you think? Then guys, look at this one. So this is a newer design. So Keepall East West. The material of this one, zooming in, I kind of feel that this is going to be fabric, but then again, it could be coated canvas. So what's new about this Keepall? It's an East-West design, and as you can see, the top handle is elongated, so you could wear it as a shoulder bag. Another one, guys, we have a hobo bag design. Same material. I love actually the violet lilac colorway. So as you can see, zooming in, the print of this one is inspired by the May Bean. So it is like a loop bag style. It has detachable canvas strap, so you could wear this one as a shoulder or as a crossbody bag. So another Speedy bag, guys, in soft leather with cowhide leather trims with detachable bag tag leather strap. So guys, this design really reminds me of the vintage Fendi Paquin, if I'm not mistaken, Paquin print. So it's like this horizontal lines like this. Next, guys, so we have the quote-unquote frog trunk. So this one, materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, detachable bag tag, and leather strap. So it is a trunk shape in a, the head of a frog. So if you are a frog lover, then definitely check this trunk as well. Next, guys, we have another Speedy 20, but the material of this one is in ostrich leather. So this is the close-up look. It would come, of course, with cowhide leather trims, colors brown with contrasting monogram logo. It would come with detachable bag tag leather strap, silk, part of the men's spring summer 2025 runway collection. Then guys, so here we have the different shopper totes that walk the runway. So I would be discussing in one go in different materials. So it would come, of course, with croc leather. It would come with soft leather like this in like chocolate color. It would come in this beautiful weave-like design. Love this colorway, of course. Then of course, it would come with the violet with pink top handle. Then another weave design. So this one actually kind of reminds me of a past Balenciaga bag. Then we have this very delicious looking color, caramel one. And this one, I love the treatment of the shopper tote bag. Then guys, just look at this one, another quirky bag from LV. So we have the frog bag. So it is definitely in a shape of a frog. So main material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather chips. As we can see here, it would come with detachable vachetta leather strap. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? Which of the Louis Vuitton bag is your favorite? Kindly comment down below. I would love to hear your opinion on the new collection. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!